Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yvette with Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. In today's video, I'm going to share the second journal for this month's challenge that I am co-hosting with my wonderful friends. So here is the information on that. We have Dawn, Tracie, April, Joan, Sheila, and I. And that is hashtag 12 by 12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024. So those of you who may not know about that, we have committed to making one journal a month that's on our bucket list of journals to make, and then we will post one video preview and at least one flip through of the completed journal. So this is the second video. This is not the final flip through, but I wanted to jump in here because this is quite the challenge for me. So I've had an idea for a while to make a journal that has a neutral cover and then interchangeable signatures. So throughout the year, you're going to have January all the way through December, and then have three signatures at a time in the journal, and then the tie would kind of denote what's going on in the journal. So that's my idea. These are not, they're kind of soft bound, I call it, because I have sewn in the signatures, but they're, just like papers put together. So I'm trying to think of a way that I could create a box that all of these, when done, could be stored in. So with that, I don't know if I'll get that far. But in today's video, we're going to do a real quick flip through of the signatures here. So the kit that kind of inspired this, and looking right here, I know that this signature and this signature and this signature are from that kit. It's from Tracie Fox at Love Junk Journals, and I recently found that kit. It was kind of the theme that I was going with, and then I have other digital kits and paper packs that I've included in this, and then also all kinds of different papers. So there's no one set kit here. There's multiple kits that I'm using, junk journal digital kits, and then also paper packs and all different kinds of paper. So without further ado, I will as we go through these, I'll kind of share with you, if I can remember offhand and at the moment, what artist I got the digitals from. So the one here I know is from Lindsay Zenor from Nevermore Creations. So the other thing I want to mention is the signatures. Even though this is January, it is not really like winter themed. So you'll see in here, it's more color and feel that kind of drove how I put together the signatures. And there's a lot of florals in them, even in the winter ones, because I liked how that effect looked. So for me, everything's about color, and that's kind of what drives my creativity. So in this first signature, this kit here is from Lindsay Zenor at Nevermore Creations. I have an envelope. Any of the dyed papers that you see, or coffee dyed papers, those are from my friend Cheryl's over at Cheryl's Crafts. I'll put a link in the description box. This is from Love Junk Journals. This one is from Amity Bloom. Here we have a blue dyed paper, and then this one is from Amity Bloom, another Cheryl's paper. I also put tracing paper in here because I like how it makes the background really soft and subtle. So as I turn the page here, you'll see the effect that it gives this Amity Bloom page. And I like how that looks. And you'll also see as I go through from one to the next, I try to pull a little bit of the color from the prior month into the new journal, into the new signature. Keep saying journal instead of signature. So as you can see, this one has a lot of blues in it, kind of has a winter feel, even though it's not spot on winter. So there's our first signature, and that's January. And then we have February here. So as you can see, it's definitely not spot on Valentine's Day, but it does have that kind of romantic feel. Got a little bit of roses going on and some pink. This is from Love Junk Journals. This one is Amity Bloom. I believe this is Lindsay Zenor. So those are the three main digital artist kits that I used. This is from Love Junk Journals, part of that kit. So all of them like this that you see in all of the signatures, those are all one kit. And I just love the way this tracing paper just mutes the background. I think that's so pretty. Makes me want to do it on all the pages, but then it's not a thing, right? Okay, so there's February. Here we have March, so I'm bringing in a few of the birds, and as you can tell, I've gone from the pink with a little bit of that purple. I thought that worked out nicely. And this is from Amity Bloom. And then this is from Love Junk Journal, so we do have a little bit of the St. Patrick's theme, but not spot on. Again, more moving into the green color. That's Lindsay Zenor. This one is Tracie. Can't remember what artist this is. I'll try to find that, put it in the description box. I think it's Jesus Junk Journals, if I remember right. It used to be Elsie Bell's bookshelf. I believe that's correct, but I will try to find it. So here we have April. Have this cute spring theme. The paper here is avocado dyed, and I did that. Amity Bloom, Lindsay. This one is also Lindsay, and this one. So what I had was a whole bunch of kits from different artists that I've used in other journals, and I might have had 1 or 2 pages left. So I thought I would pull those in by the color, and then the ledger paper, being that green color, really helps to give it a spring feel. I just love the way that looks underneath there. Okay, then we go into May. So this has a slight Mother's Day kind of feel to it, or spring. This is a paper pack. And this is Lindsay Zenor. More of that dyed paper. Amity Bloom. And Lindsay. Cheryl's beautiful paper. Look at that. Love that. So yeah, this is going to be a real challenge for me if I can pull this off, because I had the idea for a while and I just never really tackled it. So I knew when Dawn invited me to co-host the 12 by 12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024, I knew immediately this would be one of the journals that I wanted to create. Here we are in October and I'm finally getting to it. So if that tells you anything. So June has a little bit of a romantic feel to it, but not spot on. This is a paper pack. And I don't remember where I got this one. I keep trying to find it, because so if this is your digital here, if you would put in the comments, please. And I would like to get that kit again, but I don't have any link to it. I can't figure out where I purchased it. So here's some dyed paper here. And I have these little pieces. This is from Lindsay Zenor, and I'm thinking about making a pocket or something out of that. So June, we've got spring going. Well, I shouldn't have said that. Now we have a rat. We might put something over that. So here we are in July. This is from Love Junk Journals. This paper is blue a little bit. I don't know if that's picking up on camera or not. That's from Lindsay. This was another kit from Love Junk Journals. This one is Lindsay. This is another part of that collage page from Love Junk Journals. And then this is the paper pack. This is just cardstock printed. And here we are on the second half of the signature. So as you can see, we have blue and we have a little bit of red coming in for 4th of July. And then I like the white pages on there. And kind of nostalgic on that. August, I brought in that red into the next journal here, or signature. This is Lindsay. So we're definitely headed toward fall here with some of these colors. Okay, and then we have September. So I kind of have a little bit of a, school theme going on with the clock. Not really set there though, just kind of changing of the season sort of thing. Getting in our last strolls before the weather changes. And then this is probably the most school looking image. But just kind of, September to me has always got the feel of a transition month, so that's kind of why we're doing this. Then we have October. This is from the Love Junk Journal Seasons Kit. This is Lindsay. More of that daffodil dyed paper. This is Lindsay's Birds and Bees. I think that's what it's called. This is from Love Junk Journal's Collage Kit. And this is Lindsay, Any of the Clocks. This is a very dark coffee dyed paper because we're headed into fall in this signature. I think that's, I don't remember what that's called. I thought I remembered the name of one of the kits. So this is just a book page on the front, and I like the way it kind of naturally had that tear there. So this is our November, so we're definitely into fall. I'm pretty sure that's Jesus Junk Journals. This one as well. This is Lindsay Zenor. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this, I think. It is challenging for sure. I keep saying that, but as I'm going through, I'm like, oh, hope I can pull this off. All right, and here's our December signature. So again, not perfectly Christmas, but I mean, there is Santa in here a little bit, so we have some hints of that. This was from a home decor magazine. It was a larger picture of a chandelier, so I liked how that kind of had the bobble effect. So again, I just pulled in the reds on this one. Here's our center signature. I love junk journals. So I hope you guys stay tuned and see my progress on this. I will try to do another video because, I folded this down at the top because I'm going to try to make a pocket out of that. I've never done a I always glue it down on all the sides. I've never done one just folded in there. So I'm going to see how that works out. So there we have it. As I'm pulling these back in, go ahead and check out the hashtag 12x12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024. Put that hashtag in and you will see all of our videos. So we have 6 ladies, 2 videos each every month at least, and we are having a lot of fun. You can join in on the challenge anytime. It's an open challenge. There is no pressure. If you don't get it done, you don't get it done. But the idea is to not just journaling, but any kind of crafting that you do, or any goal that you have in a bucket list that you're trying to get done. That's what the hashtag challenge is. So go ahead and check that out. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I have a giveaway coming up when I reach 1,600 subscribers, and check out my Ko-fi shop. Again, I have another journal I'm giving away there for when I reach 600 followers on my Ko-fi. So that's Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Hope you have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed the video.